Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is a quick video. It will give you a Clickbank tutorial in 5 minutes or less. My purpose of this video is if you're new to Clickbank or if you're having trouble working out how to actually make money as an affiliate, this will help you. That's my hope for you, and I want to make it really simple. So I'm going to get straight into it. If you like this video and you want more, like a complete run through step by step, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page. There's no opt-in or anything like that, and you will see a 43-minute presentation from start to finish that shows you exactly how to do this. So if you're interested in making money with Clickbank and you want to go through it step by step, I give you an example of a product, I give you the email flow example, and I actually show you how to get traffic. And then you've got the option of getting even more free stuff where I give you a free course which will show you, go more in depth into each of these areas and make sure that you understand how to use them, and then you can get going and just sell Clickbank products. You'll also be told about a service where I will set the whole thing up for you, but that's completely optional. So nothing to opt in for. To watch the full Clickbank tutorial, just click the description. I've put this link in the description. You'll see this video and it will explain everything, and then you can get more free stuff. I explain it in the video anyway, and this video here will just serve as a really quick run through and really help you to get the gist of what will create a successful Clickbank campaign as an affiliate. So let's get into it. Really simply, you only need to know 3 things to make money with Clickbank as an affiliate. Number 1 is you need to know how to pick a great niche. Number 2, you need to know how to set up something I call the flow, which I'll talk about in just a second and show you. And number 3 is you need to know how to get targeted traffic. Okay, so talking about the niche, Clickbank, if you're brand new to Clickbank, quite simply, it's an affiliate marketplace. You probably already know that, but you've got all of these products here in all these different categories, and when you promote them, you can make money. If I just click on anything, doesn't even matter which niche it is, you will see all of these products, and you can actually promote them, and you can see how much you'll make per sale. So the first thing that you want to do on the niche, I just picked a random one there. Again, check out that link in the description because I actually give you an example of a really good converting product and why, and go through the sales page. But just here for a really quick run through, you want to make sure that whatever area that you're going into, you want to make sure the only purpose of them is they actually solve a problem. So all of these products, every single one of them, with info products online, people downloading ebooks or video courses, they're only buying them to get an intended result. So if we go to home and garden, just picking random niches here, and we can see Ted's woodworking right at the top. That will help someone that needs help with woodworking and wants to know how to make different things. I know this is very simple stuff, but what I want to get you thinking about when you're picking a niche is all the product does is offer a solution. Okay, so when you're picking a niche, if you've got a dog which is an aggressive dog or it won't stop barking, there's the dog trainer. And all you're ever doing with a product is it should solve a problem. And the way to pick a great niche is to make sure that the problem is really urgent. There's a lot of emotions around the problem, and it's a really urgent problem that someone wants solved. I'll give you a quick example. If you just had a product on how to tie shoelaces, that wouldn't be a good product, because although it's a problem and you need to learn how to tie shoelaces, there's so much free stuff and it's so easy to find the information. So you need to pick a product that actually offers a solution, and the faster it can genuinely offer a solution and the more urgent the problem is, the better the niche. Okay, just a little pointer for you. It doesn't just go off popularity or gravity, and I'll explain why really quickly. If you just go and pick the highest gravity product, gravity just gives you an indication of not the conversion rate of the page, but how well, how popular it is with affiliates. So gravity gives you a figure. It will tell you how many affiliates are making sales and how frequent the sales are. In fact, gravity is a number awarded per sale between 0.1 and 1 based on the frequency of the affiliate sales. And what that means to you if you're a beginner is that if you had someone with loads of JVs, joint ventures, and loads of people sent it out to their lists, and all these affiliate sales were coming in because of the launch of the product, the gravity would shoot up really, really high. But that doesn't mean for you, just going without a list and starting from scratch, that doesn't mean that the page will particularly convert. So the first thing that you need to know how to do is, number one, pick a niche with a really urgent problem. Make sure that the product actually does what it says it can. Okay, so just a good product goes without saying. And make sure that the sales page is good. How you do these things, I explain in this video. So when you click the link below, you'll go through. That's why it's 43 minutes. It's well worth sitting through and going through with a piece of paper and a pen so you can take notes. And I'll walk you through some sales pages and what makes a sales page sell. So number one, you need to know how to pick a niche. Number two, when I'm talking about the flow, all I'm meaning is this, quite simply. This will really help you if you're new. Most sales aren't made on the first visit. Okay, unless you've already got a relationship with the person you're sending the page to, most people won't just buy something on the first visit. Some people will, and for a really brief example, you can expect a 1% conversion rate from a product to a cold audience. But that means that if you rushed off and you picked a high gravity product here and you just went straight to Facebook ads and you started sending traffic straight to the sales page, you're going to lose money more often than not. Okay, so one of the key things that you want to understand how to do is set up a decent flow. Okay, I'll just explain this really quickly. So this is an example of a flow. They would opt in for some free information that will help them, and then you send subsequent emails every day that actually help. Probably the best piece of advice I can give you in terms of selling is your emails shouldn't be focused on selling the product, but it should be focused on helping them with the problem. Okay, so you don't have to give everything away, but like we had a very brief look at the dog training niche, you would give actual help that they can use. Okay, so they opt in for a free video course or whatever it is, free report, and then they receive email one that gives them some help and some good advice and good information that they can use that would move them further along to getting a solution. And then a very subtle call to action to the product. Okay, and I go on here, so an example flow would be email 1 offering help, email 2 more help, email 3, and these help emails are covering the steps that they need to go through to get to the solution and giving them stuff that they can use. And then for the people that don't buy, you might do just a straight sales page offer and include some bonuses in there and just say, look, this is the offer, and then you would like pitch the offer. And then for people that don't buy, you might send them a really quick survey, 2 or 3 questions saying, what were you looking for? You know, if they haven't bought at that point, find out what they're looking for and set up a product or get in touch with the vendor and see if they've got some subsequent product that you could actually promote to that list. And then you could go even further and invite them to a webinar where you offer that product for discount. So quite advanced here. And the ones that don't buy at all, you've always got them on your list for more promotions, more help, and so on. And if you wanted to make money straight away, so you didn't want people going through all of these 4 days of emails and then the main offer, you could offer straight away as soon as someone opt in and say, no pressure at all, but if you just want to get going and train your dog, this is the best product, and I've included a discount and some bonuses. So this can seem a bit daunting when you're looking at it if you're brand new, but I show you exactly how it all works in this video. So do check it out in the description if you want step-by-step help with this, and I'll give you an example of what the email should say, and it will really help you promote any Clickbank product. Okay, the third thing, so we've covered the niche. You need to know how to speak to the audience and how to actually help them. That's the main thing. Okay, the marketing, there's no magic way of marketing. You need to know this stuff, but once you commit to learning it, it's not as difficult. a really quick example for a successful campaign is focus on helping people, genuinely helping, and you won't have to worry about the sales. If you just send emails out saying buy this, it's brilliant, buy this, it's brilliant, you'll burn out your list and people will just get pissed off and they'll leave your list. So you want to have a flow that actually helps. And the third thing is traffic. Okay, really simple way you can get started with traffic. I actually show you in this presentation, in this video that you got access to below in the description. I actually show you how you can send traffic two ways, how you can start sending free traffic that doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of time, and how to target it, how to get targeted traffic off YouTube by using YouTube SEO. And I also show you how you can start using Facebook and go straight into Facebook with targeted traffic by creating lookalike audiences, and how to find the right people. So what will happen if you incorporate these things is you'll have a great niche. You'll have a flow where you're building a list, but you're also actively helping people, and you'll know exactly how to get traffic and targeted traffic off Facebook. So if that sounds like something you want to learn, I hope this has given you some pointers. They're the only 3 things that you need to know. We could go more in depth, but Clickbank tutorial to start off, you just need to know how to pick a great niche, how to do those emails and how to set it up, and how to send traffic. And if you can do those 3 things, you can make money with Clickbank. So check out that video below. I think you'll really enjoy it. It is a long one, but it's well worth sitting through. Once you've gone through this entire video, I am going to say it right now, I think you'll be in front of 95% of Clickbank affiliates. I've used Clickbank since way back in 2005. I've got a Premier certificate. I'll just show you that. It was a really bad scanned version of a certificate I've got. They send you one in the post, a hard copy. I got one in 2013, 2014, 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009, 2008. I've actually built up over 50 Clickbank products myself that I own, and I made my living as just a Clickbank affiliate for years. So I'm very confident if you do the things as I outlay in this little presentation, really simple to understand, it will help you to make money with Clickbank, and it will allow you to do so without falling down the potholes of making it more difficult than it is. So if you suffer from overwhelm, if you find this stuff too difficult, give yourself a break, get a coffee, get a cup of tea, and watch this presentation. I think you really enjoy it. Get a pen and paper and it will explain it all to you, and by the time you've gone all the way through it, you will be in front. You'll know more than 95% of Clickbank affiliates, and you won't be chasing your tail. You'll know exactly how to set it up. So I hope this video has helped you. Grab your free stuff below, and I'll speak to you really soon. Cheers guys.